What's up, guys? Of course, I go by the name of Hast, and welcome to another exciting vlog. Leo tuko wapi?
We're in Nairobi, Kiambu, Tigoni to be specific.
Yeah. Yeah, so we are in Tigoni to do just a tour of Tigoni, because Tigoni has been that place where you get a lot of beautiful views. Unaona Tigoni inakuangaje kwa picha?
It's a very extremely beautiful place. So yeah.
So we're heading to from the pictures, it's a beautiful and amazing place. Inaitwa
Brackenhurst.
Yes, Brackenhurst. It's a restaurant, hotel, lodge, I don't know, but I've seen it has very beautiful views. So join us. Let's see how the place is and how they will treat us. We'll show you everything, the kind of foods these guys offer, and of course their prices. Yeah.
And FYI, today is Valentine's, so happy Valentine's to all of you. We love you. So tungeweza maua nyinyi wote, all 20-something thousand subscribers.
Uongo. Hiyo ni uongo bwana. Hakuna.
But receive our love. So if this is your first time watching, remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you've not yet subscribed, please do.
Adios. Tuende. Bye.
Bye.
Kwaje?
It's a beautiful river, money.
This is a dam.
It's a dam.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful. It's a beautiful dam. Alafu inakaa ni kubwa, kuna gari inakuja. It's big as well. Yeah, we are enjoying the sceneries here at Tigoni. If you've not been here, I think you should make a point to visiting the place. It's amazing. It's views upon views. Yeah. So we're finally here at Brackenhurst Conference and Retreat Center, and from where we are at kwa parking lot inakaa vizuri, from the entrance it looks like a really beautiful place, so we are looking forward to show you around.
Yeah.
be honest, they're affordable. Like I was just saying, I don't remember the last time we saw like food this affordable in this economy, and yeah, this is affordable and we're loving it. So we'll order some lunch and then show you what we'll take. And also there are drinks, so we'll let a separate drinks menu. Here's only affordable by the way.
250 for 40. That's affordable.
Yeah, it is actually. And they have all sorts of drinks, hadi lemonades. So ngojeni tuonyeshe food.
Yeah.
It's good.
How is it?
Really good. Alafu ni baridi vizuri kwanza naijua. It slaps. Passion lemonade.
How much?
250.
Only.
Imagine. You need trip on a budget. So our lunch has finally arrived. Yeah, I'm gonna have vizuri. So this is fries with this is fish and chips actually. Yeah, fish and chips with guacamole and tartar sauce. Yeah, I'm ready to dig in. I'm quite hungry actually. So yeah, tutakula kwanza and then we'll tell you how it is. We'll don't know if you'll film while eating. Probably not, but yeah. Bye.
You know,
how is it?
I'm loving this. Like I didn't know. It was salsa? Salsa. Kumbe salsa ni. Ni kachumbari tu.
Food iko poa?
Iko fiti. Yeah. Guys, we've been walking around the premises and we've come to this place. So part of the community here is the college, and we can see like they have a basketball court and a lawn tennis area. Come play and enjoy your stay. Lakini the breeze and the the smell ama the sun. Hapana, sun hapa si mbaya.
So guys, we have come to the end of our lunch here at Brackenhurst in Tigoni. It was amazing. We loved every bit of it, the service, the ambience, the environment, the fresh air. Like, it was amazing, and their food is also really nice and affordable. Like the quality of food is amazing, and the prices are quite, like, they're quite good for everyone. So yeah, if you have a dinner or a lunch that you'd like to come for, or a staycation, Brackenhurst is the place for you. And yeah, we have come to the end of the vlog as well. We hope you enjoy the video as much as we enjoyed making it, and for those who have not yet subscribed, kindly do so. And yeah, remember to like, share, and comment and tell us what you'd like to see more. Bye.